Lasky in the boot, bags on the floor. White Commodore's ready, she begging for more. Mates pile in, it's a full back seat. Snacks and smokes, playlist on repeat. Servo pies and a cold iced tea. Windows down, feel the ocean breeze. Every K we clock is a story to tell. From the city lights to the country smell.
On the road again, under Aussie sky, holding hard, baiting horizon wide. Every mile of memory, every stop a song in my Commodore, where I belong.
Highway lines stretch far and long. We sing off key, but the vibe is strong. Old CD stack scratches and skips, but every chorus still hits the lips. Pulled in late to a roadhouse light. Chips, fuel and a yarn through the night. Laughed till the sun rose over the plain, then hit the black top and rolled again.
On the road again, under Aussie sky, holding hard, baiting horizon wide. Every mile of memory, every stop a song in my Commodore, where I belong.
It's not about where we're going, it's about what we see along the way. From servo signs to country pubs, from mates laughing to tires thumping. This is freedom, holding style.
On the road again, under Aussie skies, holding hard, baiting horizon wide. Every laugh, every cheer, every story we keep.
Commodore dreams on a